Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance, and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. We can track the amount of steps taken on this watch in a couple ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces basically display that information. So if we wake up the screen, open the watch face menu on our watch, scroll through the list of watch faces, look for something that displays these steps. This one does, so if we apply it, you will see the amount of steps taken right here. Another way to check the amount of steps taken is to open the activity app. So if we press the menu button, open the menu, find the activity app icon, not this one, I think it's this one, yes. And here we have the steps progress throughout the day. You can also scroll down, I believe. No, you can't. You have only calories here, never mind. I thought there's gonna be more detailed information, but to do that, we need to open the phone application. So, on the phone that is paired with your watch, you can basically open the Zep application, and there you have the more detailed information for the steps. So we have a phone that is paired with our watch. I'm gonna close the app for now. Reopen it soon. Just let me zoom out the camera. So now we're gonna reopen the app, and in the app you will see the steps right here, probably on the main page. And if you tap on them, you can check more detailed information like daily, weekly, monthly, and stuff like that. If you don't see the steps here, you can always tap on this icon right here to edit the information shown on the home page. And if you don't see the steps on the show on home page, you need to scroll down, find it here, grab it, and drag it to the list above, basically, to display it. And then you can tap on save, and it's gonna be displayed. Okay, and that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.